Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of smart home security. We're talking about smart home cameras, specifically, after a period of 247 home monitoring. That's right, we're putting these little guardians to the ultimate test. I've been using a few different models, and I'm ready to share my experiences, the good, the bad, and everything in between. First off, why 247 monitoring? Well, in today's world, peace of mind is priceless. Whether you're worried about package theft, unwanted visitors, or just want to keep an eye on your pets while you're away, a smart home camera offers a powerful solution. The ability to record continuously, not just when motion is detected, is a game changer. It means you don't miss a thing. Now, let's talk about the cameras I've been using. I've tested models from several brands, each with its own set of features and price points. We're looking at cameras that offer everything from basic HD recording to advanced features like facial recognition, two-way audio, and integration with other smart home devices. Setup was generally straightforward. Most cameras connect to your Wi-Fi and require a simple app download. The apps themselves vary in terms of user-friendliness. Some are intuitive and easy to navigate, while others can be a bit clunky. This is a crucial factor, because you'll be interacting with this app daily. Image quality is, of course, paramount. I've compared the video clarity, especially at night. Some cameras provide crisp, clear images, even in low light, while others struggle. Night vision capabilities are essential for round-the-clock protection. Pay close attention to the resolution, and look for features like HDR high dynamic range to improve image quality in challenging lighting conditions. Another critical aspect is the subscription model. Many smart home cameras offer cloud storage for your recordings, and this often comes with a monthly fee. These subscriptions vary in price and the amount of storage offered. Consider how much footage you want to save and how long you need to keep it. Some cameras offer local storage options, such as an SD card slot, which can save you money on subscription costs. Motion detection is another key feature. The best cameras offer adjustable sensitivity, so you can fine-tune them to avoid false alarms from things like swaying trees or passing cars. Some even have zone detection, allowing you to focus on specific areas of your property. Two-way audio is a great feature. It lets you speak to whoever is in front of the camera, whether it's a delivery person or a potential intruder. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room: privacy. Choose cameras from reputable brands with strong security features, like end-to-end encryption. Review the privacy policies of the camera manufacturer and understand how your data is being handled. Make sure the camera has two-factor authentication to protect your account. The experience has been great and has offered peace of mind and convenience. But ultimately, the best smart home camera for you depends on your individual needs and budget. Make sure to consider all the factors we discussed and choose a camera that provides the features, security, and peace of mind you're looking for. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing a smart home camera after using it for 247 home monitoring. I'll share my experience, discuss the pros and cons, and help you decide if it's right for you. First, why is 247 monitoring important? It provides constant peace of mind. Knowing your home is under surveillance around the clock is a huge comfort. It can help catch intruders, deter crime, and provide a record of events. So, which camera am I reviewing? I've been using the Insert camera brand and model here. I chose this one for its features, including high-definition video, two-way audio, night vision, motion detection, and cloud storage. Let's see how it performed. Setting up the camera was relatively easy. The app guided me, and within minutes, I had the camera connected to my Wi-Fi. A user-friendly setup is a big plus. Now, let's get into details. The camera brand and model boasts 1080p or even 4K resolution. Daytime picture quality was excellent. Night vision was also impressive. allowing me to see a good distance in complete darkness. This is essential for effective 247 monitoring. Motion detection is key. The camera sends notifications when it detects movement. I found the sensitivity to be well tuned. It picked up people and animals effectively. Customizing motion zones is useful, focusing on specific areas. This ensures home security. Two-way audio is a great addition. It allows you to speak to anyone near the camera. Useful for greeting visitors, warning off intruders, or checking on pets. The audio quality was clear enough. No product is perfect. A main downside is the cloud storage subscription. You usually need to pay a monthly fee to store recordings. This is a recurring cost. Also, performance can be affected by your internet speed. Unreliable Wi-Fi might cause buffering or missed recordings. After weeks of use, I have conclusions. The camera brand and model is a solid smart home camera. The video quality, motion detection, and two-way audio all work well, and setup is easy. However, the cloud storage subscription is a must, and internet is a factor. Overall, it's a worthwhile investment. So, is it right for you? If you want a user-friendly camera with good features, it's a great option. Factor in the monthly cost and ensure stable internet. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.